Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing and organizing your footage so nothing interrupts the flow. Open your project, add clips to the media pool, and drag the primary clip to the timeline. Make sure the timeline frame rate matches your source to avoid sync issues. Once done, switch to the edit page so you can add markers and note dialogue timing. You'll use those markers to paste subtitles accurately, which saves time later when you open the subtitles track. Next, add a subtitle track and begin creating segments aligned to speech. Right-click the timeline area, choose Add Subtitle Track, then click the Subtitles panel. Create a segment, type the text, and use the inspector to set font, size, color, and safe area positioning so text never overlaps important visuals. Split segments at natural pauses and adjust in and out points to match syllables. This improves readability. Remember to keep lines short and use commas and dashes to preserve spoken cadence for the viewer. Finish by exporting subtitles either burned in or as a sidecar SRT file in the Deliver page. Choose Format and Test Playback in a player that supports SRT. Make sure file encoding is UTF-8 when you have accented characters, otherwise lines may garble. If subtitles run early or late, go back to the timeline and nudge the in or out by frames, or trim the clip for frame-accurate sync. One troubleshooting tip: incorrect timeline frame rate causes offset. Verify and relink if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.